Hello and welcome to Tuesday. I want to start off, first of all, by encouraging you that if you are media social, you should look me up on the Twitter at jmatthews_WUTR. That is at jmatthews_WUTR. Weather's going to get interesting for Thursday, so you definitely want to keep track of what's coming our way. Meanwhile, until Thursday, it's going to be Richard Simmons. You remember that quirky workout guy with the afro? Sweating to the oldies was his big thing. You're going to be as well. The heat and humidity through the roof for the next 48 hours. Rain chances Thursday. A lot. Now, I can't completely rule out a thunderstorm for tomorrow afternoon. I have for today. I think we're okay today. Remember 24 hours ago I wasn't completely sure about today. But I feel better about today now to be able to say I think rain-free. Can't completely rule it out for tomorrow, but it's a very small chance. Meanwhile, 78 is the average high. We'll be 10 or 12 above that for today and tomorrow. Factor in the humidity. You get the idea. The drop-off comes with the front on Thursday, but then it slowly warms up into the upcoming weekend. Now, dew point. Measure of how much moisture is in the air. Higher the moisture in the summertime, more uncomfortable you and I are. 66, 67, going up to near 70 for Wednesday and Thursday. And then when the front comes through, that's where your big drop-off is. Now, on the local radar, and that's the state of New York, and that's Lake Ontario and Erie, all quiet. Any moisture is on the edge of the screen and not quite yet headed in our direction. What we do have for our immediate future is a very broad southerly flow coming our way out of the south, bringing in the heat and the humidity. So that's going to keep on coming, but as a front gets more and more intense and gets closer and closer, the clouds are going to grow overhead, starting with today, I think. So you should expect the trend to be for increasing not only heat and humidity, but also in terms of increasing cloud cover as this high fades off the shore. Now you can now see today what I pointed out yesterday would be occurring. A storm across the Gulf would be drawn northwards ahead of this storm system that is developing. And you can now see what I was thinking yesterday, where these two systems are going to merge just to our west, and then they are going to dump on us heavy rain and wind Thursday. So here's a storm out across Nebraska and Iowa, really beginning to fire up now, drawing in the moisture from the Gulf, and that means wind and rain for us come Thursday. Now, how about the almanac? Check out the high versus the forecast high and the low. You know, it's almost like I know what I'm talking about. And I bet I have a good idea of what you're probably thinking when you see these numbers come in so close to forecast every single day. You're probably thinking, you know what, Jeff? I think you have a time machine, and you're going 24 hours into the future and seeing what happens and coming back then and telling us in real time. That's not what's happening, as far as you know. Rain bucket quiet, 13 hours, 49 minutes of daylight going down, and notice sunset now before 8 o'clock. Your forecast is next.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, intermission.
Okay, I just came back from the future, from the commercial break, and your forecast for today looks just like this. Increasing clouds, heat, and humidity. A high, once again like yesterday, close to 90. No real help from Mother Nature in terms of the wind. Tonight, fair, warm, muggy. A low of 67. That is not low. And tomorrow, double eights, or double snowmen, if you look at it that way. Hazy, mostly cloudy, muggy. I don't have a thunderstorm in there, but these are the kind of clouds that can produce a thunderstorm. There's a small chance one could form in the later afternoon hours, but I don't quite have it in yet. So just like you gave me a day yesterday to figure out today, give me a day today to figure out tomorrow to be certain. And I'll tell you tomorrow when you check back in. Meanwhile, the winds pick up late tomorrow and really pick up on Thursday. It's going to be a windy, wet, rainy, thundery day. And that'll cause the temperatures to drop off, the humidity to lower for a nice stretch of weather where I have now eliminated Sunday as a rain day. So you have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Bright, warm, relatively dry weather until further notice. We'll see you again next time. Make it a great day.